Export you're making now, ma'am?
Not yet, sir. We are manufacturing it for India.
Sir, you have to do an export unit here, sir. Export manufacturing unit.
Where you manufacturing? Where you are doing?
We
Chandigarh.
do it in Chandigarh, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
We'll work it out.
Yes,
Right,
yes.
right. Thank you, sir. And sir,
So this is one model of that.
Photography here, sir. Yes.
Yeah, product.
దాని మీదనా?
Oh, yes, sir. Please. Come. Just mind this, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is put our foot here.
yes,
Or no?
yes, sir. You can do it.
It doesn't have that.
Conventional steering system. It operates with this.
Okay.
Yes, and when you have to turn the vehicle, you can knock to one side and it simply rotates with the turns.
This. Yeah.
Yes, sir. And it has got 98 liters of fuel tank, sir. Plus it has got 58 liters of additional fuel canister in each wheel.
What is the speed?
What is it? The speed is 45 kilometers per hour.
Maximum speed is
1
45.
is 5 kilometers per hour.
So the speciality of this is that the tire is air pressurized, and the engine is producing the air, and continuously the air is going to the tire. So if it goes, if a man's foot is there, the tire can go on it and nothing will happen. You will not feel it. It is so soft because the air goes out, and then as it becomes full, then again that's why it can climb any stone, anything, and it is like that. Am I right?
Yes, you're right, sir. It's got ultra low pressure tires.
Ultra low pressure.
And it doesn't require any special preparation when it moves from one surface to the other. As in from the land to the water, we simply have to reduce the tire pressure by just sitting here in the cabin, and then it is ready to float in the water. That is why it could save those lives in Punjab region.
Okay, good. Very nice. Good experience for us.
Así es con él. I'm good. Go there, show the cars. So these are the new cars that we are manufacturing. This is MG Magister. This is a very strong car, very high quality. We recently, today only, this month only we are launching. July only, no? Yeah. This is a very popular electric car, sir. In India, this is the number one electric car that we are selling under the MG brand. This is this is all made in Baroda.
How many you are making a
1 lakh, 1,20,000. Now next year we'll make 2 lakh cars. Yes. And then grow. This is another very nice car, sir. This CM Maharashtra is also taken, and we have made it bulletproof for him. So just show that. This is a very comfortable car. Captain seats, and it can fully recline.
This is a fully. Yeah.
Fully manufactured here, sir, and fully electric. And
This is a bulletproof, sir.
this one is not, but it will be converted into bulletproof.
What
For
is it?
CM, sir.
Here we have the massager seats, heat and the ventilation seats for all the seat.
Acha. That also you have.
Yes, sir.
What is the cost of this car?
About 80 lakhs?
90 lakhs.
90 lakhs. Yeah. And if you make it bulletproof, maybe another 10 or 20 lakh rupees more.
That's all.
Then it becomes bulletproof. So 1 crore, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 20 lakhs.
1.2 nearly.
1.2,
Yes.
it will become bulletproof. Sir.
And now also it's a Euro NCAP 5-star is
So, sir,
very
in
hard
fact,
material.
in every city, one car for CM can be.
At least more 3 regions, 3 cars.
Yeah.
Then it will come.
Yes, sir. More than
3 regions, 3 cars.
3 cars. Then it can come. Yeah, correct.
Hub and spoke.
Correct. Yeah, hub and spoke. Yeah.
We'll work it out.
Yes, sir.
Equal to Toyota welfare model?
Half
So
of
bigger
that.
than that, sir, actually.
The
Bigger
size
than
is
150
bigger,
than
but
welfare.
price is half.
Price is half of the welfare.
That is 1.8.
1.8.
That is 1.8.
This is he's saying 80 lakhs plus 20 lakhs bulletproof.
Bulletproof. Then becomes bulletproof.
Around 1.
Welfare 1.8.
1.8.
Now we will change it. Let us see.
Yes, sir.
We'll work it out.
And it's very comfortable and electric, sir. No
and
fuel.
also working and also very.
Yeah.
In a single charge, we give up to 450 on road, sir.
Only
One charge.
one charge.
Acha.
500 kilometers.
So we'll work it out.
Yes, sir.
I want to have this.
Yes, sir. Any other car is there? That's,
Riding also more comfortable electric car.
Yes, sir. It's very smooth and easy to
Smooth,
drive
no?
actually.
Yeah, smooth also.
This is Cyberstar sports car.
Sports car.
this is like a
0 to 100
Ferrari.
in 3.2 seconds.
I have this in Bombay. I drive sometimes. It's very fast.
Just for sir.
Just for-
What is the speed?
It can go up to, I think, 300 kilometers.
So 280 is
250.
the top speed and 0 to 100 in 3.2 seconds.
Ah.
725 Nm of torque. Equal to Ferrari.
Yeah.
Good research you have done.
Yes.
I thought only steel man.
Still, everybody knows me because that is my original thing. But these are all new ideas. Now I'm also working on rockets. Sir.
No, why can't you make it? I created Space City in Tirupati.
In Tirupati.
IIT,
IIT, I am the chairman of IIT Tirupati.
You can